Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So today's video we're going to be working on this 2005 BMW X3. We're going to be fixing a fuel leak that developed on the car. As you can see, the fuel is leaking from the firewall area on the driver's side. So let's jack the car up and take a look from the bottom side to see where the fuel is coming from. As you can see, the car is leaving a fuel trace behind it as I was backing up to park it inside the shop and jack it up. Now after we jack the car up and put her on some jack stands, we're gonna lay under it and see where the leak is coming from. So this here is the high pressure feed line that goes into the fuel rail. As you can see, it's all wet. So BMW uses a quick disconnect type of fuel line and it has the tool built into it. So I'm putting my hand near the starter area in order to reach the fuel hose and click the quick disconnect tool and pull it out. Now we can fish the upper side of the fuel hose out of its place. As you can see, the other side of the hose is connected to the hard line coming from the fuel tank and they have the same type of disconnect fitting. Now to remove it, what you do is you push the soft line into the hard line and then you press on the plastic tool and this releases the tabs inside of the fuel line and you can remove it. As you can see, you can access the fuel rail from above the starter motor from the bottom side of the car. It would be a big hassle to reach it from the engine bay side because you'd have to remove the intake manifold, and to remove the intake manifold you have to remove the cowl and a bunch of other stuff. As you can see, the hose is damaged and is leaking fuel from this hole. This was caused by floppiness from vibration. I'm gonna make sure to put it in its hole down. And here we have the new replacement fuel line. I'm gonna fish it through in its place. And then I'm gonna grab the fitting and hook it to the fuel rail. Now I'm gonna hook it to the hard fuel line. As you can see, all you have to do is push it together until they click. As you can see, this is the fuel line hold down bracket that I was referring to. I'm gonna make sure to put the fuel line in it and close it. It's very important to use it because it prevents the fuel line from flopping around and getting damaged like the previous one did. As you can see, above the starter, here is the new fuel line connected to the fuel rail. So now we're gonna cycle the key a couple of times to pressurize the fuel system and make sure that there are no more leaks. And as you can see, everything is still dry and the problem is fixed. So now we're gonna lower the car back on the ground and call the job done. So just like that, folks, we showed you how to locate and fix a fuel leak issue on your BMW X3. Hopefully you found the video entertaining as well as helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment down below. Peace.